salihan mo.
Do you know how to write in cursive? Do you know how to write in cursive? No. And this is also is actually made like not made like bad words. It's like S-O-U. Bro, I'm asking you, do you know how to write in cursive? No. No, same. At September, my teacher's gonna be writing in cursive. And then I'm too lazy to practice. I'm grade 3 now. I'm grade 2, by the way.
Kasi like this, oh. This.
Did you transfer school or are you still in the same school? I'm still in the same school. I transferred school.
Nahinay lang sa sauce, ha?
I want
Maano siya,
what
malasa.
school did you transfer?
Sarap.
Stella. I've been in Twinkle 2 for 2 years. I think I've been already in St. Mary for like 3 years. I don't know, I forgot.
3 years ka na doon? Oo, tama ka.
At Stella, the teachers are so strict. They even say shut up to the teachers. To transfer while you can, bro. Transfer to my school. It's nicer. No, but it's already school time. I can't just transfer. Transfer to my school if we're gonna transfer now.
Saan yung house ninyo?
Project 3, Kalantas 3.
Ah, malapit lang pala.
Opo. How many minutes did you get here, by the way? 20. I was planning to surprise you, and then I realized that you were just downstairs.
Nag-chat pala kayo eh, di ba?
Does your taxi already?
Kasi may spam pa kasi, kain ka pa. Kuya, kain ka pa.
Oh my god. Taxi almost spilled on my clothes. Who is your more best friend? Marix or me? Wait, I think I
Yung
had
ano mo ulit?
Huh?
Si
Kuya Julio?
Marcos.
Wait, what was the
Tawag ko sa kanya Uno.
what was the
Julio pala siya.
Wait, what was the first name you
Eh.
said? Who do you love more?
Look, Kuya Julio, oh. He's always eating. But you're always talking. Look your food.
Marix or me? Who do you like more? I think I have a classmate named Marix. Yeah, no. The girl.
Best friend siguro niya. Kapit bahay. No?
Yeah.
Classmate mo rin? Makilala mo? Baka yun ang classmate ni Baste. Kasi, di ba ang St. Mary's malapit sa halos dun sa inyo, di ba?
Yung isang
Then?
St. Mary's, yung sa isang nag-visit sa house. Yeah, it's you more. I'm always gonna have a party. So imagine if it blacked out, then I accidentally dropped the noodle inside. It's no.
Hindi ka magra-rice, Kuya Julio. Nagpang ka.
Ayaw ko. Tama lang.
Sige lang, Kuya. Diyan lang muna ilagay. Kami na bahala. Thank you. Ano ka pa? Meron pa. Gusto mo na yun. Ayan mo to. Gusto mo mag-rice? Kami na. Wala ka. Tignan mo sa Kuya Julio. Simot. Kuya Julio, kung gusto mo pang kumain, kain ka pa. Kuya Julio, may mga ano dyan, oh. Kuya Julio, gusto mo kumain ng chocolate.
You have some of the stuff like that one soup on your chin and this. Has that been going on for an hour already?
It's not live, it's video lang.
What time is black out our house? Not really.
Baka mag-blackout. Kuya, oh. Diyan mo na ilagay, ako na bahala. Baka mag-blackout, kaya sabi ko kain na tayo. Kung mamaya, ang dilim-dilim dito. Di ba?
How am I supposed to get the rice with only one fork?
Ay, hindi ka naman nagsalita. Tapos pinaproblema mo, tapos hindi ka nag-ano, no? You have to, to voice out. Voice out? Sige ako na bahala.
Yeah.
Kuya Julio,
Ay, okay lang po.
gusto mo kumain ka lang.
That's cola.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that was so loud. Oh,
You know what this means kapag ganito ang cheers mo? Ibig sabihin, mas matanda yung nasa itaas na.
ay, alam ko yun.
Yeah.
Ay, let's do that. Now let's try to make the big jump back the glass.
Hey! Ano ka dyan?
Oh my! What is this? It tastes like beer. Are these?
Ano kasi siya, no sugar. Zero sugar.
How many calories? What the calories are over here. 2 calories.
Diet kasi yung mga tao dito. Except Basta.
Oh. I almost choked on my drink. There's so much.
Kumain ka na.
There's so much spirit in it. There's so much what? Spirit.
Spirit in the glass. Gusto niyo manood ng horror?
No, no.
Funny videos?
Yes.
No. Ba't ka nagagalit? Ikaw lang ba pwede mag-no? Di ba kaya, that's a prank. When you're saying no, it not mean na magagalit yung iba. You're saying yes, it's not mean na magagalit mo rin. You have to respect the others. The choice. What you choose.
Don't pick yes. Funny.
You want burger?
Mm.
No. Oh, galit ka agad. Di ba? Kakasabi ko lang.
po kaya.
Huwag mo akong ginagayan ha. Wala kang halos kinain ha. Kung madali ka sa laro mo. Alam kong gusto mo yan.